Doctors, they usually wear those like white coats.
A mask, plastic gloves, stethoscope.
They could work at a doctor's office.
In hospitals, when people are sick, they help them.
A teacher would probably wear something school appropriate.
Very sophisticated skirts and dressy shirts. Pencils in their ears. They usually work at a school, at a university. Police basically wears blue or black. A police badge.
The cool cop hats.
The belt.
They work at a police station. They arrest people for doing something wrong.
An engineer. I don't really know how an engineer looks like.
They can look pretty smart.
Probably like a small coverall on.
A hard hat.
A pen in a pocket on their shirt.
Goggles.
I don't know like where they would work.
In factories, possibly.
In their lab.
In a car shop.
Some of them build.
They make blueprints. They think a lot.
That's all I know.
I am the manager of the user experience design team. And what we do here is we create visual and audio display technology.
I'm working on the inbox project, so that's user interface design. All the sizes for screens, all the colors, all that comes together to create an amazing user interface.
I work as part of the autonomy team to develop software to enable our robots to perceive their environments and then to operate independently.
When I was a kid, I think the first thing I wanted to be was a horseback rider.
I wanted to be an artist for Pixar.
I think quickly once I got into high school though, it switched over to wanting to pursue engineering.
I started out as a physics major in college and I wanted something a little bit more hands-on. I was exposed to robotics, which gave me that hands-on experience I was looking for.
I was actually really worried that I wouldn't be able to be creative as an engineer, but it's actually really, really open. I have full control over what I'm building, so I didn't really have to give that up.
The coolest part is definitely deploying software on a robot and seeing it do what it was meant to do.
One of the reasons why I went to engineering is the idea of creative problem solving. I really like factoring in people's perception of what technology should do.
When I was a kid, I kind of wish I knew that you could be really creative with what you make as an engineer. I get to pick any of the projects that have more of like an artistic side to them.
I thought engineers were mechanics or construction workers. I didn't even think about the people who build the complex mechanical systems.
I'd recommend for anybody who has an interest in how things work that you keep the door open to pursue an education and career in engineering. The skills you learn in engineering give you a strong foundation that you can then take and apply in many different industries, having local to global impact. That amount of influence you can have is what makes engineering so versatile a career.
Anybody can create something, but as long as you make it your own, that's what really matters.